Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage the location information that Twitter uses to personalize your experience on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option, and now click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this arrow in the upper left corner, tap on privacy and safety, go to the data sharing and personalization section where you should tap on this last option, location information. As you can see, if you turn on the first function, personalize based on places you've been, Twitter will use information like where you signed up and your current location to help show you more relevant content. Twitter may also personalize your experience based on other places you've been. Precise location is now disabled. However, if it's enabled, Twitter will collect, store, and use your device's precise location, such as GPS information. This lets Twitter to improve your experience, for example, showing you more local content, ads, and recommendations. So if you would like to change it, tap on the disabled button and click on precise location, and then you need to go to your settings in order to allow the app to have access to your precise location. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.